Imagination is more important than knowledge. For knowledge is limited, whereas imagination embraces the entire world.
If I have seen further, it is by standing on the shoulders of giants.
Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world.
Nothing in life is to be feared, it is only to be understood. Now is the time to understand more, so that we may fear less.
First, we want to write a script. Go to ChatGPT and type "Give me a list of 10 of the most influential people from history and their most famous quotes." Now we try to generate famous person 3D AI images. Go to Leonardo.ai website and create account. After creating the account, touch AI image generate. Change orientation to 9:16. Type this prompt code. A detailed photograph of a serious-looking Albert Einstein looking directly camera. Sharp focus image, colored image. Select you want image and download it. Now we make generation token video. Go to DDI website. Link in description. Create video, add button, and sign in the Google account. Touch create video and add we generated images one by one. Copy the script on ChatGPT. Paste in here to generate a voice. Change. You want voice type and select. Finally, select generate video. Generating your video.
Imagination is more important than knowledge. For knowledge is limited, whereas imagination embraces the entire world.
Download the video and here. You can use 𝗧𝗯𝗀 website to generate voice. Go to E11 Labs website and create an account. Copy the script on ChatGPT. Paste in here.
Imagination is more important than knowledge, for knowledge is limited, whereas imagination...
Download the voice in this download link after downloading video. Import the CapCut. Now we try to edit video using CapCut. Import the generated video. Now we want to subtitle. Go to text and select auto caption. Subtitle is added. Now change the text align and change font style, font colors. Finally, go export button and rename your work and export.
Imagination is more important than knowledge. For knowledge is limited, whereas imagination embraces the entire world.
Thank you watching my video. Subscribe my channel.